Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video, we are talking about the bitwise operator. I'd already learned you what is operator and the types of operator in the full video. In this video, you'll be able to learn the bitwise operator. So, before further ado, make sure not to be forgotten to subscribe and click the bell icon and also like the videos. So, to demonstrate the bitwise operator, to write the program on the bitwise operator, here I want to take n1 as a variable in the input taken in the text binary number 1 colon with quotation ends, also the parenthesis ends. So I want to give the binary number 1 as 1011 because binary is either 0 or 1. So I want to take n2 as a second variable, which is also an input taken in the text binary n2 with quotation ends and also the parenthesis. The n2 I want to give here is 10001110. So here I want n1 equals to int okay, in the n1 variable which has the value base as 2. We always know that the binary base is 2. Okay, so I want n2 as the same one, which is also an int n2, which has the base as 2 because binary value has the base as 2. Okay, let's take bit or. Bitwise operator is of three kinds. They are OR and XOR. So here I want to demonstrate the bit of OR operator here. I taken as bit OR, which is a variable taken in the field of n1 and also n2, but I forgotten here one thing. Let someone else guess, but there's no one to guess. So here I forgotten is to mention the symbol of OR operator, that is this kind of operator. This kind of symbol is represents the OR operator. Okay, and the second one is the AND operator. Want to take bit AND as operator, bit AND as operator in the form of n1 and n2. It will be give the AND operator. And the second one is bit XOR, variable taken as bit XOR in the form of n1. It is also read as cap n2, which represents the XOR symbol. Okay, here bit OR is equals to bin is the keyword of Python programming, which gives us the value of bit OR. Here this kind of same thing implemented on this three of the operator and OR and XOR. Bin, which is also bit in the AND value. Let's take another one, that is the last one but not the least, XOR, which is also bin in the value of bit underscore XOR. I taken as Here I mentioned bit and or XOR for to understand you. You take whatever you want to be. I take variable as bit or bit and bit XOR. You want A, B and C, it will be also printed the same one. For my convenience, for to understand you guys, I I made this variable. So here the print function came this. The print function came this as n1 in the percentage of 10 percentage of 10 years. Here 10 years gives us modulus 10 years is to represent the string value, and modulus of bin into n1, it's printed as the same as in the OR operator 101 or 100 gives us the value of OR operator. Let's say again print n2 quotation with the quotation n2 modulus of 10 years modulus of ben n2, it gives us the value, and here I want to print in a beautiful way, so I just wanted this kind of line which gives us the best value. A line also printed here, and to print the exact OR and an XOR value, here I gave OR which is the modulus of 10% of yes. Quotation ends also are the same which I given in the previous lines, that is bit. Let's store the value as bit underscore R to do the same thing. Here it printed is the exact value of OR operator, and I wanted to print as and for to and the same thing will be repeated. Modulus of 10 which is also in years, and modulus of bit and okay, it gives us the value of and also I want to print the last but not the least value, that is XOR value. To print XOR value, XOR, the same thing will be repeated in the last line also, that is the modulus of 10 years quotation ends with the modulus bit x underscore XOR. Okay, here I forgotten that I have to do here the underscore, but I do here made a mistake that under XOR it's printed the exact value. So here's how you implement a bitwise operator code in a Python programming. So to learn these kinds of concepts, stay tuned with my channel, and also don't be forgotten to subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for it.